Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your USB-C camera to a computer with traditional USB-A ports? The TetherPro USB to USB-C cable delivers a direct connection without the need for adapters or dongles. Its fully reversible USB-C end means you'll never struggle with plugging it in the right way again. Built to meet the highest USB standards, the TetherPro cable guarantees consistent conductivity and lightning-fast data transfers. It's engineered with the latest technology to ensure your files move quickly and reliably, so you can focus on your shoot without worrying about connection drops or lag. At 15 feet, 4.6 meters, this cable hits the sweet spot for most tethering setups, offering enough length to move freely while staying organized. If your setup calls for extra reach, the TetherPro USB 3.0 active extension lets you extend your cable without sacrificing speed or stability. As cameras and computers demand more bandwidth, having a cable that keeps up matters more than ever. The TetherPro cable handles high data loads smoothly, maintaining the interactive experience you expect during live shoots or transfers. You can choose between high visibility orange or a sleek, non-reflective black, both designed to reduce trip hazards and fit your style. Keep in mind, this cable is strictly for data transfer and isn't intended for charging devices. Photographers across the U.S. trust TetherTools cables for their reliability and performance. One user shared how they've never had an issue with these cables, highlighting their durability and the safety benefit of the bright cable color during busy shoots. If you're serious about tethering your USB-C camera without fuss, the TetherPro USB to USB-C cable offers a proven, dependable solution. It's designed to streamline your workflow and keep your connection solid from start to finish. Worth a look if you want a cable that just works, no adapters, no interruptions. Try the TetherPro cable when you're ready to upgrade your tethering setup and experience seamless, high-speed transfers every time.